For sale today is an Acra milling machine. It has an Acurite Millpwr 3-axis CNC control. Control is conversational. It has a variable frequency drive, high quality tools, AC Pro drive head. Spindle runs very good, quiet. It's adjustable. This machine has preset speeds. Push the button, you can run different speeds. You can tap with it, it automatically stops, reverses. Machine uses dynamic braking. Has switches to change the RPM from low to high. This is high, 500 RPMs. Run it up to 4,000. I believe it goes to 5,000. I don't like to run it real fast when it's cold. Dynamic braking, spindle stops. We're gonna run a program here. It's a bolt circle. This thing's got boxways, like new condition. Table is 54 inches. It does have a couple small spots on it. They're about 2/1000ths of an inch deep. It's not going to affect much. Has boxways on the knee. So here we'll go and run this program. It's peck drilling now. We'll show the This thing runs conversational programming, so it's very easy to program. It has a power feed on the knee. It's programmable. It'll drop down to pre-programmed. It stops exactly on the same number each time. You can simply go back up, stop at the same number. This machine has a variable frequency drive. It's currently wired 220 single phase. It can be wired 3-phase. If you have any other questions about this mill or any other tool room machinery, give Brandon at Varney Machine a call. Thanks.